In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept collaboration requests on Instagram. So if someone tagged you in a collab post on Instagram, here is how to accept it. First of all, you'll need to go and check your notifications. So go to your Instagram application. Normally you'll get a notification, but if you didn't, maybe you're not allowing it, you can go to the activity tab. An example, here is where you send messages at the top right. And at the left of that, you'll find the heart icon, which is activity tab. So in there, you will find a notification that says this username tagged you as collaborator. And you can click on that notification and the collab post will open. You can click on review then, and then tap accept. For me, as an example, no one tried to collaborate with me, so I'll not be able to show you exactly, but it's very simple. You can click on this activity icon, click on the notification of the collab, and the collab post will open. You can click on review, and if you accept this, click on accept, and the post will now appear both on your profiles, on your profile and the profile of the person that tried to collaborate with you. So as an example, I just tagged myself using another account. Now I'll find this as an example notification. I can just go and click on that. And as you can see, I'll be able to find the channel and I'll be able to follow it, of course, if I want to. Maybe your friend, you didn't follow him yet, you can just go and click on that. If you click on that example, you'll be able to find the same post that they tagged you on. So as an example, you'll find tagged right here. So for me, this is my first time example. I'll find this review who can tag you, so you can choose everyone, people you know or no one. For me, I'm just gonna keep it on everyone. And you can of course review more settings, an example, so who can reshare your content and all of that if you want to. For me, I don't care about this at the moment. So as you can see, once you click on that, you'll be able to click on review. And if you accept on it, just go and click on accept. And once you click on accept, an example, you are now collaborator in this post. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, I'll be able to click in here and we are collaborators on this post. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.